Have you always wondered how to better leverage LinkedIn as an author? Hey, my friend, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. And just like you, I am an author. I actually published my first book, Social Media Pie, How to Enjoy a Bigger Slice of LinkedIn, thanks to the Rochester Writers Conference. I got my book published, and now I am looking forward to coming back and delivering a workshop, which is going to be all about using LinkedIn as an author. And I'm going to walk you through my book marketing checklist. Now, you might be on LinkedIn, but are you fully leveraging it as a tool to help to market yourself as an author, and maybe even beyond that for your consulting business, for your coaching business as well? I'm going to walk you through my knowledge on how to use LinkedIn and now my newfound knowledge as an author to help you through this. I look forward to seeing you at the Rochester Writers Annual Conference on Saturday, October 28th. Go ahead and click the link below, and I look forward to seeing you at the event. In the meantime, be sure to visit my LinkedIn profile, click on the More button or the three dots, mention that you're attending the event, and I look forward to seeing you there in person.